Hi, so in this video I want to show you how to use SuperPower ChatGPT um, to filter conversations that are in the folder versus conversations that are not in the folder. Before we start, you need to have SuperPower ChatGPT extension installed. To do that, go to Google, search for SuperPower ChatGPT, click on the first link. It will send you to this page where you can click on add to Chrome and add the extension to your browser. Once you add it to your browser, you can go back to ChatGPT, refresh the page, and you will see all the features of SuperPower ChatGPT already loaded. Now, what I was talking about earlier was this feature. So basically, you have this all conversations on the left side. If you click on it, you'll see the list of all of your conversations. Now, that purple line that you see on the left side, that indicates that this conversations is already in a folder, and that purple is the color of that folder. If you hover over that purple line, it actually shows you the name of that folder. You see it says client one. Like there's another one down here with the green line. If I hover over it, it says personal. So it's in the personal folder, and so on and so forth. Now, some people might like to see all the conversations that they added to folder in here already, but sometimes you don't want to see the conversation that you have moved into folders in here. So to hide those conversations, you can go here on the all conversation. There's a menu right here, the three dot menu. You click on it, and there is a filter button that says only unassigned. If I click on it and then go to all conversations, now I'm not seeing any of the conversations that I have moved into my folders anymore. You can turn this filter on from here. You can go to the manager, go to conversation manager, all conversation again. This it's easier to see it here. So here we have the filter on right now. If I go here and say show all, then it's going to show me all the conversations, including the ones that are in the folder. Again, here the purple color means it's in a folder. If I hover over it, you can see that it shows the name of the folder right below the mouse. Another way to see the name of the folder is if I hover over this little folder icon up here. If I go down here, like this one says personal, and this one says Dolly, this one says client 2. So that's how you do it. Also, you can turn this filter on and off from the setting. So if I go here, go to the settings, under folder, we have a filter here that says exclude conversations in folder, and underneath that it says hide conversations saved in folders from the all conversation list. So right now it's turned off. I can turn it on, and it will just now hide those conversations from the all conversation list on the left side bar and inside the manager. So that's how you can switch between seeing all the conversations or seeing the conversations that are not in any folder when you look at all conversations. Hope that helped, and thank you.